Imagine a world where every glance, every touch, every word you share makes him yearn for more. What if the key to his heart lies in the subtlety of your actions? Number 1. The power of mystery. Ever wondered why a bit of mystery can drive him crazy? Create a sense of intrigue by not revealing everything about yourself too soon. Share your stories in bits and pieces, keeping him guessing and always wanting more. This subtle art of revealing just enough keeps the excitement alive and makes every interaction with you a new discovery. It's like reading a book that you can't put down because there's always another fascinating chapter. Make sure your actions align with this mystery. Sometimes a glance or a smile can say more than words. Keep your dates interesting with unexpected activities or spontaneous plans. This unpredictability will make him anticipate your next move, constantly thinking about what comes next. When he feels like there's always more to learn and experience with you, he'll find himself irresistibly drawn to you. Remember, maintaining a bit of an enigma doesn't mean playing games. It's about nurturing a natural curiosity and excitement in your relationship. Number 2. Be unapologetically confident. Curious about how confidence can make him desire you more? Confidence is magnetic and immensely attractive. When you are comfortable in your own skin, it sends a powerful message that you value and respect yourself. This, in turn, encourages him to see you as someone worth investing in. Stand tall, speak clearly, and own your space. Showcase your strengths and achievements without bragging, allowing your accomplishments to speak for themselves. Confidence also means embracing vulnerability, sharing your true feelings and thoughts, which can deepen your connection. When you exude confidence, it also highlights your independence, showing that you are with him by choice, not necessity. Engage in activities that you love and excel at, which demonstrates your passion and competence. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about embracing imperfections and still loving yourself. This attitude makes you irresistible, as he will be drawn to your inner strength and self-assurance, wanting to be a part of your vibrant world. Number 3. Show genuine interest in his world. Ever noticed how special it feels when someone truly listens to you? Make him feel valued by showing genuine interest in his life. Ask thoughtful questions about his interests, passions, and experiences. When he talks, listen actively, offering your undivided attention. This not only makes him feel appreciated but also creates a strong emotional bond. Show enthusiasm for his hobbies, even if they're new to you. Join him in activities he loves, creating shared experiences and memories. Compliment his skills and achievements sincerely, which will boost his confidence and make him associate positive feelings with your presence. Balance your conversations, ensuring it's not always about him. Share your thoughts and stories too, fostering mutual interest. When he feels that you genuinely care about his world, he will naturally want to be more involved in yours. This mutual interest builds a foundation of respect and affection, making him eager to spend more time with you and deepening your connection. Number 4. Maintain a life outside the relationship. Do you know why maintaining your own life is crucial for a lasting attraction? Having a rich, fulfilling life outside of the relationship keeps you interesting and independent. Pursue your passions, spend time with friends and family, and dedicate time to personal growth. This independence shows that you are self-sufficient and confident, traits that are incredibly attractive. It also gives you more to talk about and share with him, keeping your conversations lively and engaging. When he sees that you have a life beyond him, it creates a healthy space that prevents the relationship from becoming too intense or overwhelming. This balance helps in maintaining your individuality and avoids the common pitfall of losing oneself in a relationship. Moreover, your independence can inspire him to pursue his interests, creating a balanced dynamic where both partners grow together. A well-rounded life makes you more appealing, as it shows that you value yourself and your happiness, which in turn makes him value you more. Number 5. Use the power of touch. Wondering how subtle touches can create a deeper bond? Physical touch is a powerful tool for building attraction and intimacy. Simple gestures like a gentle touch on his arm during conversation, a playful nudge, or a warm hug can convey your affection and create a sense of closeness. These touches release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making both of you feel more connected. Be mindful of the context and his comfort level, ensuring that your touches are welcome and appropriate. Physical affection also communicates your interest in a nonverbal way, which can be incredibly impactful. It breaks down barriers and fosters a deeper emotional connection. Besides intentional touches, don't underestimate the power of casual physical presence, sitting close or leaning in slightly. These actions can create an intimate atmosphere without words. When used thoughtfully, touch can enhance your relationship, making him feel cherished and increasing his desire to be near you. It's a subtle yet powerful way to strengthen your bond. Number 6. Keep the communication playful and positive. Ever thought about how a playful tone can keep the spark alive? Keeping communication lighthearted and positive can significantly enhance your relationship. Incorporate humor and playfulness into your interactions to create a joyful atmosphere. Light teasing, shared jokes, and playful banter can make conversations more engaging and memorable. Positivity also means focusing on uplifting topics and solutions rather than dwelling on negatives. When discussing serious matters, approach them with a constructive mindset. This attitude shows that you are supportive and optimistic, qualities that are very attractive. Celebrate small victories together, and express gratitude for each other's efforts. This positive reinforcement strengthens your bond and makes him look forward to your interactions. Keeping communication playful doesn't mean avoiding serious conversations. It's about balancing the serious with the lighthearted. This approach ensures that your relationship remains fun and fulfilling, encouraging him to want more of the happiness and positivity that you bring into his life. Number 7. Show appreciation and gratitude. Curious about how expressing gratitude can deepen your connection? Showing appreciation and gratitude for his actions and qualities can significantly enhance your bond. Acknowledge the little things he does, whether it's something as simple as holding the door open or offering a kind word. Verbalize your appreciation sincerely, making him feel valued and respected. This positive reinforcement encourages him to continue his thoughtful gestures. Gratitude also involves recognizing and appreciating his unique qualities, from his sense of humor to his work ethic. When you consistently express gratitude, it fosters a positive atmosphere in the relationship, making both of you feel happier and more connected. It also shows that you do not take him for granted, which can be a common pitfall in relationships. Small acts of appreciation, like leaving a sweet note or planning a special surprise, can make a big difference. When he feels appreciated, he is more likely to reciprocate, deepening your emotional bond and making him want to be around you more. Number 8. Encourage his ambitions and dreams. Ever considered how supporting his dreams can bring you closer? Encouraging his ambitions and dreams shows that you believe in him and his potential. Take an active interest in his goals, offering support and encouragement. This can be as simple as listening to his plans, offering constructive feedback, or helping him brainstorm ideas. Celebrate his achievements, no matter how small, and be his cheerleader during challenging times. Your support can boost his confidence and motivation, making him feel valued and understood. Encouraging his dreams also means giving him space to pursue them, showing that you respect his individuality. This support strengthens your bond, as he sees you as a partner who truly cares about his happiness and success. When he feels that you are genuinely invested in his future, it creates a deeper emotional connection and a sense of partnership. This mutual support fosters a strong, healthy relationship where both partners feel empowered to pursue their aspirations together. Number 9. Create shared experiences. Ever wondered why shared experiences can bring you closer? Creating memories together through shared experiences can significantly strengthen your bond. Plan activities that both of you enjoy, whether it's traveling, cooking, hiking, or simply exploring new hobbies. These shared experiences create lasting memories and a unique connection that is hard to replicate. Engaging in new activities together also introduces an element of excitement and novelty in the relationship, keeping things fresh and interesting. It allows both of you to discover new sides of each other, deepening your understanding and appreciation. Moreover, overcoming challenges or trying something new together fosters teamwork and cooperation, essential elements in a strong relationship. Document these moments with photos or keepsakes to reminisce about later. Shared experiences also provide plenty of opportunities for inside jokes and stories, enriching your communication. By prioritizing quality time and creating joyful memories, You build a solid foundation for your relationship, making him want to be a part of more adventures with you. Number 10. Be yourself. Wondering why authenticity is key to a lasting attraction? Being genuine and true to yourself is crucial for a healthy, fulfilling relationship. Embrace your unique qualities, and don't try to mold yourself into someone else's idea of perfection. Authenticity breeds trust and respect, as it shows that you are comfortable with who you are. Share your true thoughts, feelings, and quirks, allowing him to see and appreciate the real you. This honesty creates a deeper connection and encourages him to be authentic as well. Being yourself also means setting boundaries and respecting your own needs and desires. It demonstrates self-respect and confidence, qualities that are highly attractive. When you are genuine, it creates a safe space for both of you to be vulnerable and honest, strengthening your emotional bond. Authenticity removes the pressure of maintaining a facade, allowing the relationship to grow naturally. In a world full of pretenses, being yourself is a breath of fresh air that makes him want to be around you even more. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.